It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2015-16 Upper Deck Series 2. Picked up this blaster online on Black Friday. Actually picked up a few of them for $10. So not a super awesome rookie classy Young Guns in here, but there is a chance that the Jack Eichel Young Guns are 1 in 6. So with the 12 packs per box, we're going to be looking at 2 Young Guns, hopefully, out of here. Also, some chance for some Canvas Young Guns and some other good stuff. But for $10, couldn't really pass it up. I thought I would share it with you guys. There's our packs. Stick Ovi back there. And let's get right into it. I've opened up 15-16 on this channel before, so I won't go into too much detail on the cards. Matt Nieto, Alexander Burmistrov, Ian Cole, Ryan Callahan, and Vincent Trocheck. So as the case with most Upper Deck retail product, you can pull packs that are nothing but base cards, which is exactly what we just did. Kalak Pozo, Patrice Bergeron, and we've got a really poorly misprinted Max McCormick. Look at that. That is just brutal. The foil just stamped right over his name. Yikes. Have to contact Upper Deck about that one. Don't want to lose out on my Max McCormick Young Gun. Peter Holland, Brandon Prust, Mike Green, and Alex Galchenyuk. Dmitry Jaskin, JT Miller, and we've got an Upper Deck portrait rookie of Nick Shore. Cedric Paquette, and Yuri Sekach. So Jack Eichel, with the price of these Series 2 boxes falling, it's very attractive to get Jack Eichel. He's having a phenomenal year. Jerome McGinley, Ole Matta, Connor Murphy, Tommy Wingles, and Adam Lowry. So on pace for over 100 points with Buffalo this year, so he may be finally living up to the lofty expectations set upon him when he was drafted. Series 2 checklist, we've got Carey Price and Henrik Zetterberg. I misspelled his name. Brad Boys, and we've got a canvas of Thomas Plekanec. Phil Kessel, Marek Zidlicki. Carl Hagelin, Lee Stempniak, Devontae Smith-Pelly, The Nuge, and Brent Seabrook. Kevin Hayes, Marcus Johansson, Athanasiou, who is also he's a decent Young Gun. He is misprinted as well. That sucks. Anthony Duclair, Sidney Crosby. Anton Strawman, Nick Bukestad, Brandon Sutter, Thomas Fleischman, and Matt Molson. Michael Bodker, Peter Mrazek, Alexander Barkov, Mark Giordano, and Milan Mikhailiuk. Ron Hainsey, Brendan Gallagher, and we've got an O-Pee-Chee update rookie, Artemi Panarin. That's a nice one. Now playing for the Rangers, Antoine Vermette and Kyle Palmieri. Last pack. Give me some luck, Ovi. Andre Palat, Andrew Cogliano, and we've got a O-Pee-Chee retro rookie, Radek Faksa. Henrik Lundqvist and Braden Holtby. So there you have it, guys. Kind of a comedy of errors with some of the misprints and misspellings on this one, but that's okay. I'm not going to be too hard on Upper Deck because they have had great customer service anytime I've had to contact them about something like that. We'll get a hold of them, and I'm sure they'll replace those 2 misprinted cards for us. But I just want to say this will probably be the last video before the Christmas holiday, so happy holidays to everybody if you celebrate. If you don't, just have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. We just recently passed 3,000 subscribers, which is super awesome. But thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.